how to upload audio to Roblox. So the first step is to simply go to Roblox and then simply click on create. Then you're gonna get redirected to the creator hub where you're gonna have to simply click on creations and then here simply click on development items, then select audio, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on upload asset and then here choose audio. Then you're gonna have to click on upload and then simply select your audio file. Then you can simply name it. As you can see, you're gonna have to do that because this is required. So I'm gonna type in test and then you're gonna have to simply add a description and then simply click on upload, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.